The 2025 Audi A5 has arrived, and it's making a strong statement in the world of luxury sports coupes. Sleek, bold, and full of cutting-edge technology, the new A5 is more than just a refresh, it's a full evolution of Audi's design and engineering philosophy. Whether you're a longtime Audi fan or just getting into the brand, the 2025 A5 offers a compelling blend of performance, elegance, and modern tech that's hard to ignore. Let's start with the design. The 2025 A5 comes with a more sculpted and aggressive look, thanks to Audi's updated single-frame grille, sharper LED headlights, and redesigned bumpers. From the side, the profile remains sporty and elegant, with clean lines and a sloping roofline that gives it a timeless coupe silhouette. At the rear, the new LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, giving it a high-tech, futuristic appearance, while subtle aerodynamic tweaks enhance performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the A5 offers a range of powertrains to suit different drivers. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing around 261 horsepower, paired with Audi's 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission. All-wheel drive, or Quattro as Audi fans know it, comes standard, providing confident grip and handling in all conditions. For those looking for more punch, there's the A5 Sportback S variant, which may include a mild hybrid system for better fuel economy and instant torque. Inside, the 2025 A5 continues Audi's tradition of refined minimalism. The cabin is quiet, luxurious, and tech-focused. The centerpiece is the new 11.9-inch MMI touchscreen that now integrates most vehicle functions, making the cockpit cleaner and more intuitive. Digital instruments are sharp and customizable with Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus. Materials throughout the cabin feel premium, with available options like Valcona leather, brushed aluminum trim, and ambient lighting that creates a truly upscale atmosphere. Audi hasn't just improved looks and comfort, it's also gone all in on tech and connectivity. The new infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, natural voice control, and over-the-air updates. You'll also find features like a head-up display, advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. The 2025 A5 also comes with a predictive efficiency assist system that uses GPS data and traffic information to help you drive more efficiently. On the road, the 2025 Audi A5 feels planted and composed. The steering is precise, and the ride is both sporty and comfortable, thanks to adaptive damping. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through twisty roads, the A5 delivers a balanced, engaging driving experience. Sound insulation is excellent, and the optional Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system provides rich, immersive audio. The A5 continues to be offered in coupe, sportback, and cabriolet body styles, giving buyers more choices to suit their lifestyle. Each variant carries the same DNA, sporty yet sophisticated, fun yet practical. In short, the 2025 Audi A5 is a smart evolution of a proven formula. It's stylish, powerful, tech-forward, and refined. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just looking to enjoy a spirited drive, the new A5 delivers in every category. Audi has once again proven why it's a leader in the premium segment, and the 2025 A5 is a shining example of that. If you're in the market for a compact luxury car with real substance, the new A5 should absolutely be on your shortlist.